and from the right, Royal Air Force Typhoon. Double corkscrew, Tom now accelerating the aircraft up to around about 500 miles an hour at 500 feet. He calls this the Reuben manoeuvre. And then once again, one of those Derry rolls to reposition, named after John Derry, very famous test pilot and display pilot from the 1950s, where you roll the aircraft in one direction but turn in the other. So here's Tom pushing the aircraft round, hanging in his straps, -3G, very uncomfortable. Usually in that manoeuvre, to see a little bit of fuel just venting from the tail fin, as you saw there, it's perfectly normal. One of the harder manoeuvres to fly, especially one of the harder rolls. The idea is to keep it slow and smooth. Just below 600 miles per hour. Watch for the roll at crowd centre, then holding the aircraft inverted. As Tom repositions, he's going to fly another barrel roll directly at you before going into what we call a maximum rate turn. The idea being to turn the aircraft through a full 360 degrees in as little distance as possible. So once again, Tom opening those throttles up even further, just below 700 miles per hour on this pass, as he goes into a high-speed double aileron roll.
Because guess what he's going to do now?
He's going to go
Standard Typhoon exit.